Now, on to the next real story. Children seem to be bonding with artificial intelligence really early, and that is highly disturbing. This story came out of the United Kingdom and reported on by BusinessInsider.com. A baby in the United Kingdom reportedly said Alexa as his first word, and which revealed a raging debate over how children use tech. Yes, that is a big debate. Here's a quick little clip from this particular story, which I find immensely disturbing. For at least one couple in the United Kingdom, Alexa was more important to their baby than mommy or daddy. Well, that might be a bit of a stretch, but the baby definitely said Alexa first. Parents Lottie Ledger and Mark Brady told the UK Carter News Agency that their one-year-old child said the word Alexa to an Amazon Echo device before saying any of the more classic first words. One day, he managed it. We thought it was funny at first, so we encouraged it, Ledger said, as was reported on by the New York Post. He actually said Alexa before he said mum or dad. The child Joe interacted with the device at a grandparent's house. Yeah, there's a child who said Alexa before mom or dad. Now, various children have said lots of first words that aren't mommy or daddy. Sometimes they're funny things. Sometimes they're things you wouldn't necessarily want to repeat in public. Sometimes it's just weird. The fact that it was an actual AI digital assistant, that is a bit creepy. What makes this a little more creepy to me is that so many of these companies, Amazon and Google, have been working towards making these devices not just more child-friendly, but encouraging the children to interact with them in certain ways. I've reported on this in the past, but there is actually a project at Google called Pretty Please, and this is an article from CNET where they talk about Google's AI assistant Pretty Please, which is there to help your kids mind their manners. The idea is very simple. When your child wants to use their Google device, such as their little Google Home speaker and such, they have to ask really nicely of their AI device before they are provided with entertainment or information. You can't just simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" and have the Google respond to you. If you have Pretty Please enabled, you got to say, "Google, could you pretty please tell me what the weather is?" And because you treated that AI assistant kindly enough, it will respond to you. So, in summary, large corporations are currently training our children to respect artificial intelligence and do exactly what it says and treat it with kindness. And at the same time, children are bonding with artificial intelligence devices even before they can speak and are using them as their first words, which is totally fine. Nothing could possibly go wrong in that scenario. This clip of The Lunduke Show is brought to you in part by those amazing nerds over at Pogo Linux. Huge servers, little servers, medium servers, storage servers, compute servers. Find out more at pogolinux.com. Every patron of The Lunduke Show gets access to full-length DRM-free video downloads and MP3 audio versions of each and every show with handy-dandy RSS feeds. Find out more at patreon.com/BrianLunduke.